Most of us sitting in our homes haven't explored even half of our planet yet, and there are thousands of hidden truths about Earth that we know nothing of. However, when talking about our big universe, it has some of the scariest truths that you'll ever know. The world outside our skies isn't that simple to understand. We are living in the golden age of astronomy, where scientists and physicists are giving their day and night to research about the unknown. And that's why we are here with you today, to tell you about the 6 most scariest truths about our universe. So buckle up, we are taking you on a journey to the farthest reaches of the cosmos. But before we get into this, we want to welcome you back to our channel, where you join the space exploration journey with us and discover challenges and mysteries of cosmic adventures. Galactic cannibalism. In 2003, astronomers Raja Guha Thakurta and David Reitzel gained some new insights about a process known as the galactic cannibalism. In their discovery, they found large spiral galaxies that fed on smaller satellite galaxies to grow. To back their research, they explained that the debris of stars nearby the Andromeda galaxy is due to the ancient fusion of Andromeda with another smaller galaxy. So how does this fusion take place? Well, it's done when the gravitational interaction of the tides of both the galaxies form a larger galaxy. There are different phases of the merging process, and each phase can be studied distinctively to further understand this phenomena. Who knew that the galaxies also ate each other? Strange, isn't it? Cosmic echoes. Do you know there might be echoes in the cosmos that would be bouncing around in space? Just like when you go to a mountainous region and experience a unique experience of echoes of your voice. These cosmic echoes are known for carrying valuable information. If we just look at the oldest light in the universe, it's 13 billion years old, originating from the time of the Big Bang. The photons produced during the Big Bang contain precious information about the state of the early universe. But they are becoming weaker with time, and this is the reason we are witnessing a sea of low radiation penetrating the universe. Scientists were curious to know the mechanism of this continuous flow of information via photons. So, they researched and discovered the theory of cosmic echoes. They believed that a series of echoes from the early universe is responsible for the transportation of information from billions of years ago. It's like sending a message to the future. These echoes travel slower than light without fading. And when they compared the photons, it was concluded that these echoes have the ability to transport more information than photons. All thanks to the research team of Martin Martinez for discovering this phenomena, but the major challenge now is to build a receiver that can interpret these echoes for us to further understand the mystery of our universe. Black holes. There's no denying the fact that black holes are one of the most infamous truths about our galaxy. Do you know there are 13 wandering black holes near our planet? Scary, right? The unimaginable gravitational pull of these black holes is something that we should surely be afraid of. And the astronomers who discovered these 13 black holes nearby are also predicting that we might have more of them in the coming future, accompanying our tiny little planet. These black holes are less than 1 billion light-years away from Earth. They are discovered in galaxies which are 100 times more massive than ours. Surprisingly, they have their own Milky Way as well. However, they are the smallest known black holes in space, with an average mass of 400 times greater than our Sun. Still very big, isn't it? Just imagine how the bigger black holes would look like. It is expected that 50% of these black holes will be leaving their galaxies soon to wander around in space. Star from the Milky Way, S5 HVS1, located 29,000 light-years away from our planet, is a star shot out of the Milky Way through the black holes. It was shot out from the center of our galaxy with a speed of 4 million miles per hour. Can you imagine this? It's currently traversing the constellation Crane in the southern sky and is on its way to the vastness of the intergalactic space. This star was discovered by a team of astronomers in Australia, where they used a special telescope. They named this study Southern Stellar Stream Spectroscopic Survey, or S5. Now you know where this unique name for the star came out. Talking about the size of this star, it's twice as large as our Sun. Any wonder why we always compare different stars, planets, and other entities to the Sun? Well, because that's the only good point of reference we have right now, our beloved Sun. But the fun fact is that this star is 10 times brighter than the Sun, which is spectacular to know. This star escaped from the black hole, but its previous home was the binary star system. The system came too close to a black hole, and a star fell in and was later hurled away with hyperspeed. Now you know why we are so scared about the black holes? So, when did the poor star be stripped out from the Milky Way? Well, this event took place 5 million years ago. Dark matter. Anyone who is even least interested in knowing about space may have heard this term in their lifetime. And if you are a Hollywood fan, there's no way you don't know about this. Almost 100 years ago, the first ever indications of dark matter were experienced. Fritz Zwicky, a famous Swiss astronomer, studied the movements of galaxies in a famous galaxy cluster known as coma. These movements were so fast, due to which the visible matter such as dust gas and stars could not hold on to the galaxy cluster with their own gravity. And that is why it was concluded that there are large amounts of invisible masses that might be responsible for the cohesion between celestial bodies. There's always a difference between a certain mass and observable matter, and this indicates the existence of dark matter in our universe. But still, we have very little idea about what it looks like and what properties it holds. It is only revealed through its gravitational interaction with conventional matter in space. Largest black hole in the universe. We know that there are 13 black holes wandering around our planet, but are relatively small from other such entities. But do you know how about the largest black hole in the universe? Well, you are about to get amazed. The size of this black hole is the same as the 66% of stars in our Milky Way when combined. It's 40 billion times larger than our Sun. Easier to understand now, isn't it? But where is this black hole? It hides in the elliptical galaxy. It's a supermassive galaxy that is the result of 8 colliding smaller galaxies. A superhumongous black hole in an enormous galaxy. That's nature for you. These were the scariest truths about the universe. Which one did you find the most horrifying? Let us know in the comments. Want to know more about the upcoming space programs and what's changing in our space? Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share your valuable feedback in the comments section. Don't forget to check out the latest videos on the channels, as we expect to see you soon, as more interesting content is coming your way. Thanks for watching. Take care.